How to buy FURI token OYABUN crypto coin. How to buy MEXC Global Polygon MATIC Quickswap FURI Street NFT. Exploring the OYABUN token. Cyber Yakuza meets Web3 gaming. Hey everyone, it's HelperDog here, crypto investor, back with another video. Today, we're diving into the OYABUN token, also known by its ticker symbol FURI. This token is generating a lot of buzz right now, especially since it's being listed on a major centralized exchange starting tomorrow, January 3rd. In this video, we'll go over the details of this token, how to acquire it, and what makes it stand out. But before we dive in, let me remind you, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Everything shared here is for informational purposes only. Crypto markets can be extremely volatile, so it's important to do your own research and fully understand the risks before making any investment. What is the OYABUN token, FURI? The OYABUN token, also known by its ticker FURI, is based on the Polygon blockchain. It's a Web3 mobile game token tied to an immersive cyberpunk universe, combining gaming, NFTs, and blockchain technology. The game itself is called OYABUN, and it's set in a futuristic world where players take on the role of a cyber Yakuza character, working to train and upgrade their abilities while battling other players. The token is set to be listed on the MEXC Global exchange starting tomorrow, January 3rd, at 12 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. For those of you interested in this token, it's a great opportunity to get in early as it hits a major exchange. How to get the OYABUN token. If you're looking to acquire OYABUN's FURI token, it will be available on MEXC Global starting January 3rd. If you don't have an MEXC Global account, it's a good time to sign up before the listing goes live. Once you have an account, you'll need to fund it with USDT, Tether, and then simply search for the FURI token in the trade section to make your purchase. In addition to the listing, MEXC Global is hosting a Kickstarter event today where you can vote with MEXC tokens for a chance to win a portion of a 50,000 USDT reward pool. So, if you're looking to get involved and also earn rewards, make sure to check it out. OYABUN game, where Cyber Yakuza meets Web3. The OYABUN token isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's also tied to an innovative mobile Web3 game. The game combines elements of gaming and social interaction, immersing players in a captivating manga-inspired cyberpunk universe. Players step into the shoes of a cyber Yakuza, training their character, upgrading their abilities, and battling other players to prove dominance in this virtual world. What makes the game truly interesting is its dual token economy, which involves the OYABUN token itself. Players can earn in-game currency by playing the game, with the amount they earn depending on how much they engage. However, to maximize rewards, players must also implement a long-term strategy. Success isn't just about playing frequently but planning and progressing strategically over time. Game mechanics and NFTs. The OYABUN game offers an array of NFTs tied to different in-game assets. These include Cyber Yakuza NFTs. These represent various characters within the game, each with unique attributes and abilities. Item NFTs. These are assets that players can use to upgrade their characters or enhance their gameplay. Tattoo NFTs. Players can customize their characters with tattoos that offer various benefits or just provide a unique look. Avatar NFTs. These allow players to further personalize their gaming experience. The game is structured around different missions, including fight missions, street missions, and Yakuza recruitment. Each mission offers its own set of rewards, and completing them successfully will help players level up their characters and earn more OYAB tokens. Additionally, the OYABUN project is focused on bringing augmented reality, AR, and artificial intelligence, AI, mechanics to the gaming experience, making it more immersive and interactive for players. The team is committed to using cutting-edge technology to improve gameplay and deliver a unique Web3 experience. The OYABUN universe and storyline. The storyline of OYABUN is set in Neo-Tokyo in the year 2084, a post-apocalyptic world ravaged by war. Humanity is struggling to rebuild, and the cyberpunk environment is dominated by powerful Yakuza clans. Players step into this dark world, where power, loyalty, and honor are the ultimate currencies. In this universe, players can join one of 3 Yakuza clans, each with its own set of strengths and characteristics. As a member of one of these clans, You'll work your way up the ranks by completing missions, upgrading your character, and engaging in strategic battles against other players. As part of the broader game ecosystem, OYABUN has a wide array of features designed to keep players engaged, including Cyber Yakuza upgrades, item upgrades, and discovery modes that unlock hidden aspects of the game. The project is also planning to introduce a board game called First Blood OYABUN, expanding the OYAB universe even further. The roadmap and future vision. The roadmap for OYABUN is ambitious. The team is currently focused on integrating AI and AR into the game, enhancing its Web3 capabilities and providing a richer user experience. These technological advancements will help distinguish OYABUN from other gaming projects and solidify its place in the rapidly growing Web3 gaming space. Looking forward, the OYABUN team is committed to constant growth and innovation. They've outlined plans to develop new in-game features, increase community engagement, and further refine the gameplay experience. Their long-term vision is to create a fully immersive and self-sustaining digital ecosystem where players can earn, socialize, and strategize in a decentralized environment. Risks to consider. As with any cryptocurrency and gaming project, there are risks to consider before investing. The market for gaming tokens, especially in the Web3 space, is still evolving. And while OYABUN has an exciting premise, it's essential to understand that the future of such projects can be unpredictable. Always remember that the cryptocurrency market is volatile, and game-based tokens can be subject to fluctuations based on user adoption, competition, and market trends. Before investing in FURI or any other cryptocurrency, make sure to conduct thorough research. It's crucial to evaluate not only the token's potential for growth, but also the broader viability of the game and its ecosystem. Final thoughts. OYABUN's token, FURI, is part of an exciting Web3 gaming project that blends cyberpunk storytelling, NFTs, and decentralized gaming mechanics. With its upcoming listing on MEXC Global and a roadmap filled with ambitious technological plans, OYABUN could make waves in the gaming and cryptocurrency sectors. However, as always, be cautious when investing in cryptocurrency and Web3 projects. Do your own research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions based on your personal financial situation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for daily updates on the newest coins and tokens. Let me know your thoughts on OYABUN and its FURI token in the comments. Do you think this is the next big thing in Web3 gaming, or are you more cautious about the risks involved? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.